Hello and welcome back to my channel, RottingRed. There's a little kid running on a scooter outside. I hope he falls. Anyway, thanks for joining me for this video. What am I doing? I'm making an intro, right? Anyway, hi, I'm Red. This is my YouTube channel, RottingRed. Today we're shoving this in my mouth apparently. We're doing makeup today. This look, as you can see. And we are mainly going in with this palette from Beauty Bay, Book of Magic. They don't have it anymore. Lovely. And Sunset Horizons from Beauty Bay. And the Me, Myself, and Mama Mitchell with a bright pink. And I'm also going in with this for highlight. It's also from Beauty Bay, Living My Best Life. I'm not gonna pronounce that because I will butcher it, but it's this. I went with highlight for this and also use this for freckles. Yeah, so let's get started. Roll the clip. I will hopefully leave the products in the description. Hopefully. Anyway, let's roll the video. So, what do you think of this look? I like it. It's cute. Very, I don't know, I feel like a little weird goth fairy. Maybe I should have drawn some hearts too. Anyway, I definitely like it. It looks cute. My hair does not look cute. My hair has its own life. But yeah, anyway, I hope you liked this look and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, you should leave a like. And if you want to see more, you should subscribe. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you had a great day, a great week, a great month, and hopefully we will have a great year. Thanks for watching. Goodbye!